Listen to me, when I tell people you don't have to learn how to trade, they don't believe that because they think, hey, I gotta sit behind the charts like this, analyze the market, buy so many mentorship programs, blow multiple accounts, and then eventually learn my lesson. That's not how it works. It shouldn't be like that. Why do you think that people who are actually making money in this market learned how to trade by themselves? I've been trading for 5 years, and in the first couple of years, I was using a smart money concept as my trading strategy, and it was working well. I'm not saying that it was a bad strategy, but it was on and off. One day it was good, one day it was bad, one day it was good, one day it was bad, because it was 100% according to some obsolete strategies that sometimes it was working, sometimes it was not. But in the past couple of years, when I automated my entire trading journey with proper systems, with good systems, with proven systems, everything has changed for me when it comes to passing challenges or growing personal accounts. And in this video, I want to show you live results because that's all I want to do. I want to show you live results so you can see exactly how automated solutions, expert advisors, or trading robots are able to grow your personal account or even pass your prop firm challenge. And I have 3 MyFX book links that I'm going to cover on this video so you can see all my personal accounts that are connected to a copy trading system, and everything is being done completely hands off. Even if you don't want to learn how to trade for yourself, or you don't have time, you don't want to, for any reason, you don't want to see behind the charts to learn trading, this system can completely change everything, because this is exactly what I'm using. It's a copy trading system that you put a copier file on your account and it takes all the trades from the master account. It basically copies every single trade that the master account has taken on your account, and when it closes the trades, yours will be closed as well. Super simple. And not only do I want to show you the results on my FX book, but also you can see every single results, like proven results, in a video format that I personally record and I show it's a live account and not a demo account, can be found in the Telegram channel, which you can see the link below this video. It's a public channel, and I highly recommend you to join our channel and see everything for yourself. And when you go to the channel, you can search hashtag CopyTrading or hashtag challenge or hashtag Alpha Incubator for the rest of them for passing challenges, but this is for personal accounts only. So hashtag CopyTrading, and you'll be able to see every single video that I personally put out, so you can see exactly why manual trading is dead and nobody wants to do it. So if you're ready, let's get into the video, because I have so much stuff to show you which is going to blow your mind. Guys, I want to start with the first account. As you can see here, is called Fusion 10K, and if you go to general, you'll see that system's name is Elite Titans Incubator by Smarty Incubator team. And if you go to his stats again, you'll see that we are up 70% in profit so far. And today's date is October 26th at 4:51 p.m. And it's a $10,000 account. We are up at $11,910. Profit has been $5,910. And the total withdrawals has been $6,000. And if I scroll down, you'll see that we've made 24.5% up to today. As I said, the month is still not over. We still have a week left, and we are up 25.5% in profit. And last month, 28.5%. And September was one of the worst months. I don't know if you traded that month or not, but it was one of the worst and the most volatile months ever in trading. And so many people got their accounts blown just because they were trading manually and they were trading on gold heavily. So that's the reason. And the month before, it was 6.74%. So I want to show you the second account, which is a 5K account, and it's called Elite Titans Incubator. And by the way, if you want to get access to the links themselves, if you want to see everything for yourself and get access to the links, all you need to do is to join the Telegram channel and contact our support team. They'll share all these links with you so you can go through everything and see how this copy trading system works for personal accounts and can grow your account as well. So this account is up almost 92% in profit, and the total profit has been $3,545. This account was set on medium to high risk, but we set it back to low risk again to have more consistent profits, and it's been very good so far. And the withdrawals has been $4,000. Today, this month we're up 10% so far. last month 25%, the month before 27.25%, and the month before 9.37%, which is absolutely crazy. Again, as I said, guys, the withdrawal for this one is 4,000 that I showed you, and the last account, there actually one more account, which is a 20k account connected to Elite Titans Incubator, but it's not connected to my fixed book, but I will definitely show you, and it's already in the public channel. As I said, that's why I'm saying join the channel and see everything for yourself. So this one is 28% in profit. Drawdown was like 20% on a 1K account. It's not bad. 477 total profit, and withdrawals $2,000. So actually we grew to a significant amount and we drew $2,000 and put it back. So for this one, as I said, guys, everything was done completely hands off without our involvement. And if you want to see more results, go to our public channel, which you can see the link below this video, click it and go to the search bar and search hashtag CopyTrading. And so far at this point that you're watching this video, it's definitely getting more. We have 31 messages. It means that 31 results. And literally today we had this one here, over $630 in profit with CopyTrading, which is Elite Titans Incubator, and it happened hands off. And I show you my personal account, which is a live account, that we made over $630. By the way, the interesting part is that in the meantime, I'm recording this video, it's up $800. So it's not $600 anymore, it's way more than that. But yeah, anyways, by the time I recorded that, it was $630 profit. We literally crushed the account, and tomorrow the market is getting closed. That's how it works, guys. That's how automation works. And if you have any question, you know where to find us, you know where to contact us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now it's your turn to grow your personal account and pass your prop firm challenge. Let's get it.